that music. I'm like, yeah. Okay, amazing. Thank you, Molly. Thank you, Alex. And thank you all the other incredible intellectual guides in this program. We would be lost in our own heads and our words without you. So I'd like to introduce this illustration we have here. Thank you, Sean Sakura, for creating this super dynamic, beautiful world, vision, utopia, streetscape, or block. And I want to be clear, it is not for the purpose of colonization, domination, propagation of our ideals. That's not the point. Rather, it is for the purpose of illustration, imagination, and inspiration. And I personally believe that when you write it, and you draw it, and you share it, it will manifest. And it's what I love about Decrit. I'm super drawn to this program. Why I signed up is because it's about criticism with a larger purpose, a bigger why. Each of us have explored a design that lived in a particular context window, and then we researched the heck out of it. Footnotes galore, Molly. And as we research, we write, and we write, and we write, comma here, comma there, comma everywhere. And in that process of writing, like sketching, we discover, we think, and we form our opinions. And then we criticize. And it's not just critique for critique's sake. It's criticism with the intention to inspire action. So I ask that as you listen to each presentation, please raise your own critical view and ask yourself, now knowing what you know, what would you do differently? How might you change things in the world? So let's get the symposium started. And I am